As I said in the previous clip, I'm just using the non-so fatty parts. I'm gonna do salt and pepper. Don't need too much else. Do it on both sides. And like I said, I was gonna be making earlier. It's like a surf and turf, not like and it's not like a restaurant style surf and turf, because I've never purchased turf and surf at the restaurants, but like, when I've seen them come out, they'll come out with like either crab or lobster and some sort of protein. I mean, some sort of meat. So on this particular occasion, I have salmon in the oven going. It's currently being cooked at 400. And then I put asparagus in there with it. There's mashed potatoes here. And we're gonna start cooking up the meat. Yeah. Normally I would eat the whole thing, the whole ribeye, but as I said earlier, or not as I said earlier, because I don't post these videos in chronological order. I just kind of post as I go, or if I remember to post, I'll post. Or sometimes I just fall asleep and not post. But I'm making some surf and turf, aka surf and turf salmon, mashed potatoes, asparagus, and meat.